We had a really great opportunity to host Secretary Val Arkoosh, who is the Secretary for the state's Department of Human Services. So she oversees all sorts of things, but we were able to host her here today to talk about what we've been doing in crisis services.
Crisis services are extremely important. You know, we have this whole big infrastructure around physical health, but we've never really invested in mental health crisis services. And slowly and steadily, places like Resolve are being created where you can walk in with a mental health crisis and then get directed and connected to treatment on an ongoing basis. And I'm excited to be here today and help lift up the incredible work that they're doing here at Resolve.
We're really glad that Secretary Arkoosh was able to join us here. It's great for her to be able to see a crisis system in action, and Resolve is not new to this, so they've been working at this for some time, so it's, I think, great to see a network in action, and so people who are in need of assistance can really seek help here at Resolve.
We are so proud to be ranked in the top 10 once again. Congratulations, UPMC Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh. You make it happen every day here. Today's a day to celebrate a testament to the extraordinary employees, physicians, nurses, essential workers that work here at Children's Hospital. We could not do it without them.
Every child deserves to have the best care possible. And behind the scenes of this pretty building are incredible people. And it's such an honor to be part of the system that is providing individualized, awesome care.
To be in the top 10 children's hospitals, it's a measurement of quality, of safety, of the extraordinary care, the research, and most of all, the people. And we're grateful for those that have made this possible today.
Unfortunately, Best's disease is a type of retinal disease, and there's not a whole lot that they can do with retinas. I liken it to, it's like watching a movie with holes in the movie screen. So no matter what you do with the camera, you can't see through those holes in the screen. Everything that I do musically, I have to come up with some sort of system in order to make it work for me. I had to get a 4-pedal device in order to scroll it and turn the pages. It's just too much for me to think about not playing music, so I do everything that I possibly can in order to make it happen, and that is why this exists.
It's been amazing for me to see the growth that Dave has experienced with Holly and working with Holly in the occupational rehab and really building his confidence. He had seen Dr. Sahel, who's amazing, and he had also seen Dr. Smith, who has really helped him with his vision. But when he was working with Holly, it was really interesting to see the dynamic between the two of them. I think she really challenged him. They were talking about a setup that he could use that would make his life easier as a musician, make things quicker for him, and so that he'd be able to freelance again. And seeing him playing principal first chair in the orchestras that he's playing in, and seeing him be so excited and creative about what he's doing, I think that we owe a big debt of gratitude to UPMC and to Holly, Dr. Smith, Dr. Sahel. We're very appreciative of the care that he's gotten here.
We are in the Eden Park Atrium at UPMC Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh. Today we are welcoming Umps Cares Charity. We have 4 umpires from Major League Baseball who came here to spend the morning with our kids.
We're doing a Build-A-Bear workshop here for kids in the 6th floor on the atrium. This is our 199th visit, and we've donated over 20,000 bears along with Build-A-Bear. So we're here to bring joy to the kids' faces and give them a little break from treatment and try to spread a little love and joy.
Especially for kids, being in the hospital is not a normal part of childhood. And so when they're here, they lose a lot of that choice and free will and getting to be a kid. So much of what they have to go through here, no child should have to. And it just lets the kids know that there's a whole support system around them that they might not even know about. To have umpires from Major League Baseball who have never met them before take time out of their day to spend the morning with them, it makes them hopefully realize that there's so many people who are supporting them through their journey.
And it brings joy to us, just being able to see other families smile and bring joy to people, and kind of puts another face to what people think of us. So, you know, it's easy to come out and boo us, but we have hearts, we care about people, and we need people to know that, and we want to help.